Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this simple part here. This is a gear shaft here. I will not make the gear. I will use the toolbox component, and I show you how to make a part from the toolbox component. So this is 92 millimeter total length here. 47 is the this diameter is 23 millimeter is 47 millimeter length is here, and 15 millimeter is the length of this gear here. 13 millimeter is the 15 millimeter dia here, and 15 millimeter dia here of G6 tolerance, and 40 millimeter is outside dia, and this is 36 millimeter addendum radius, addendum circle, which means it is a module 2 teeth here, and number of teeth are 18 here. So module 2 and number of teeth are 18. So because the module is equal to the addendum is 2 millimeter here and 2 millimeter here, so 4 millimeter less from 40 is 36, so it is 2 module gear here. So let's start. I will open a new document, assembly document. Okay, and I will go to toolbox. I will close this down, cancel everything. I will open the toolbox. I will NC power transmission, gears, and spur gear. This is a spur gear, module 2, number of teeth 18, which we required 18, pressure angle is 20, face width is 15, which we need, and nominal shaft dia is 0.8. It is not matter because we will change this everything, change these. This is the assembly document, the assembly part here. This is fixed. For the first part is always fixed, so I will float it and make this and this coincident, and top plane and plane 2 coincident, and okay, plane 3 and right plane coincident. Okay, now all the planes are in position. Auto size. These are the planes here which are in the position. That's what we need. And now I will save it. Save as gear shaft on the desktop. I will save as part, not assembly, as part. I will take all components, gear shaft, solid part. It's okay. Save. Now I will close this down. Don't save. I will open gear shaft. This is the gear shaft. No. Now I will go to the front plane and draw a center line like so. I will draw few sketches here like so. And close it. This is 23 millimeter here. If I go here, this will show me the radius, and if I'll go this side, it will show me the diameter. The diameter is 23, and this diameter is 15 G6, 15 millimeter, and so this and this are collinear because both are the same dia here, and this one is from here to here is 14 millimeter as per drawing, and this is 13 millimeter like so, and from here to there it is 47, and total length is 92 millimeter like so as per drawing. Total length is 92. This is from here to here is 47, This is 13, this is 14, and this is already 15 we have. And I will cut this square here, 16mm length. And there are some center drills here for grinding purpose. These are used for grinding purpose. Okay, now I will revolve it. Revolve. Okay, this is done. Now I will change the material, plain carbon steel, so it will look all the same. I will use the hole wizard first and make 3mm here, 3mm there, and 3.5 is the countersunk diameter, and the 60° which is the center drill center drill degree. I will take this and put it here. Okay, so this is the center drill here, and another center drill, hole wizard. I will go for everything is the same. I will go for position and put one there. Okay, this is done. There is 1mm chamfer here, 1mm chamfer here. Okay, and there are fillets, 3mm radius fillet here, both side, here and here, 3mm, like so. This is done. I will draw a polygon here. I'll take polygon and reduce the number of sides here, 4 numbers. I will make it like something like that. This is given 12mm, and this one is horizontal, so this is okay. I will cut up to 16mm and flip side to cut, like so. Okay, the cut is done, and there is also a chamfer here. I will draw a sketch here, a circle up to the edge of this square and cut it. I will take 60° here. 90 minus 60 is 30°, which is given in the drawing. Okay, this is done. Sorry, let me check it. Draft outside, cut outside. Okay, through all, like so. Cancel. Cut extrude, sketch plane through all, flip side to cut. Blind, 3mm. It's okay. This is something wrong with this. I will delete this and delete this feature also. I will draw another sketch here up to this, and I will cut it. Flip side to cut. Angle is 60°. Okay, this is what we were looking for. Now the part is complete. We can section view it and check. This is as per drawing. As you can see here, this is as per drawing. 3mm radius here and C1 here, chamfer 1mm here, and 1.5mm chamfer here, 30° here, and there are holes here of center drill for grinding purpose. Because it is G6, it must be ground. It must be ground to achieve these tolerance. So this is the simple part in SolidWorks we made. You can snapshot the drawing and try it yourself. I think you like it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.